Hello, Momsies. This is your Momsis Cheng. Nice to see you again. After losing a child, did I question the Lord? Why? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Kapag nakakaranas tayo ng isang mabigat na trahedya or yung greatest dreams and plans natin ay nasisira or hindi nagkakaroon ng katuparan, minsan nakukuha talaga nating tanungin ng Diyos kung bakit? Lord, why did you allow this to happen? Am I a bad person? Or Lord, where are you? Totoo ka ba talaga? Or nandyan ka ba talaga? Mom says, ang totoo, while we are on earth, we will face disappointment. And there are times when believing and trusting God will be the most difficult. And yes, you can ask God because He can understand you. You can also complain with Him because He can handle it. He knows every cry of your heart, every tears and every pain that you are going through. Lahat yan, alam niya. At dun sa tanong na, Lord, where are you? Totoo ka ba talaga or nandyan ka ba talaga? The answer is, God is exactly in the same place. And His promises never fails. Kaya lahat ng nasimulan niya sa buhay mo, siya din ang tatapos niyan. But the process may involve pains and the process may involve trials. Pero kahit na merong pain and trials, what the enemy meant for evil, He will turn it for good because God is always at your best interest. Doon naman sa tanong na bakit ako na gustong-gustong magkaanak, bakit hindi mo ako binibigyan? Samantalang may mga babae dyan na madali lang para sa kanila na magpalaglag or iwanan nila yung mga baby nila kung saan-saan lang. Samantalang ako na may kakayanan na bumuhay ng isang bata, bakit hindi mo sa akin yun binibigay? Hindi ko ba yun deserve? Mom says, a lot of times in our life, we don't get what we want and we don't always end up where we hope to be. Pero naniniwala ako that sooner or later your queries will lead to revelations. Pero ma'am sis, there are some questions na hindi talaga nagkakaroon ng kasagutan. And much better to let it go and left it unanswered. Kasi ang totoo, maraming sitwasyon sa buhay natin na hindi naman talaga natin kontrolado. And all we have to do is simply embrace it, simply embrace the notion that everything happens for a reason. And God has a purpose on it for each and every one of us. That's why, Ma'am Sis, hindi sayang at hindi mauuwi lang sa wala ang luha mo at ang pain na nararamdaman mo. Naniniwala ako na lahat yan may kapalit. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Your family, your friends are there to help you. But the only one that can satisfy you is the connection with God. So I hope and pray that you will also encounter Him. Mom says, God is still God even in troubled times. Kaya naman, in the blessing and in the pain, God is still worthy. Whether He said yes or no or wait, He is still worthy. Ma'am sis, maaari ngayon hindi mo pa nakikita yung purpose ng pain mo. Or sobrang labo pa ng mga nakikita at natatanaw mo. But don't forget that God's promises are true. And God is true to His promises. Therefore, our misunderstanding of God should remind us that we are humans and God is God. That's it, Momsies. Hope to see you again on our last episode, The Art of Surrendering. Bye for now.